Hello and welcome to the Aging Games. This is a guided meditation for gratitude. We live in a beautiful world with so much to be thankful for. Let's commit to gratitude today as we find our meditation posture. Choosing to either sit up or lay down for this practice, whatever is most comfortable for you in this moment. If you are sitting up, you may want to find a proper meditation posture with the hips, heart, and head all aligned so that one is stacked over the other. Rolling the shoulders back and away from the ears. And if you'd like to, I invite you to bring your hands into prayer position at the heart center, also known as Anjali Mudra. This posture stimulates our heart chakra, which is our center for love and gratitude. As you become centered here, allow yourself to breathe directly into the heart chakra, right into the center of your chest, and exhale with a sigh through an open mouth. Continue to breathe in this way, using the breath to invite the body to relax and soften, to release any tension or stress, and to let go of any distracting or lingering thoughts. Making a commitment to be present in this practice today. Continue breathing directly into the heart chakra and see if you can gather a sense of gratitude here. We are going to be sending this gratitude to all the good things in our life, starting with the external realm. See yourself standing in a beautiful green meadow, surrounded by all the people that you love. Everything that you love and are thankful for is all around you. The sun is beaming high in the sky and graciously illuminating every leaf on every tree, every petal on every flower, and each and every blade of grass. You can feel the sunlight on your skin, bringing you warmth and comfort. Breathe into your heart center, and then breathe out, directing your gratitude-filled breath up toward the sun. And say to either yourself or out loud, "Thank you, sun." Allow yourself to feel the warm breeze on your skin, to take a deep inhale of the fresh, sweet air, breathing directly into your heart, and breathing out gratitude for this air that you're breathing, and say, "Thank you, air." Allow yourself to feel the ground with your feet or your sit bones, to feel the grass and soil between your toes. Breathe into your heart center once again, and breathe out gratitude, directing it at the earth, saying, Thank you, Earth. And in the distance, you can see there is a small pond within the meadow. Allow yourself to breathe into the heart center and send gratitude to the waters of life and say, "Thank you, water." Allow yourself to turn to your loved ones now. Imagine yourself conjoining into a giant group hug with your family members, feeling love and warmth from their connection as you breathe directly into your heart and send thankful, loving energy into the group hug, saying thank you to each and every family member. See yourself connecting with and maybe hugging each of your friends now. Feeling gratitude for the company and support that they generously give you. As you hug each one, see yourself bringing your chest to touch theirs so that their heart is pressed against yours. Breathe into your heart and exhale gratitude directly into their heart, saying, "Thank you, my friend." If you have any pets, allow yourself to envision yourself sitting with them now in the meadow, giving them a few pets and sending them love from your heart as well. Telling your pet that you're thankful for their loyal companionship and love. Your loved ones let you know that they have to leave the meadow now and bid you farewell before leaving you in solitude in this beautiful meadow. Now alone with yourself and the nature, allow your visualization to become internal, looking within your body at all of the parts and organs that allow you to function day by day. Imagining as if you could see within your own head. And sending love and gratitude to your mind, to your brain that does so much. Allowing yourself to hold your awareness in your head and send gratitude to all of the functioning parts within it. Saying thank you to your eyes that allow you to see so much beauty. Saying thank you to your nose that allows you to smell so many pleasant scents. Saying thank you to your ears that allow you to hear beautiful music or hear the voice of your loved ones. saying thank you to your mouth that allows you to eat, speak, and taste. Bringing a smile to your lips and smiling at all of the parts of your head. Allow your awareness to shift down to your chest and arms now. You can breathe into the heart space once again to send gratitude to your heart, or simply smile down at your heart and lungs, sending them your gratitude and love. Saying, "Thank you, heart, for all of this love and gratitude." Thank you, heart, for beating every second of every day. Thank you, lungs, for the air that I'm able to breathe. Send gratitude down into both arms and hands, feeling thankful for your ability to hold and touch. Now allow your awareness to drift down to your stomach and abdominal area. Bringing your lips to a smile and sending that smile down to all of your internal organs. Visualizing each organ, allowing yourself to thank each one for the great job it does. Saying, "Thank you, liver." "Thank you, stomach." "Thank you, spleen." "Thank you, pancreas." "Thank you, kidneys." "Thank you, intestines." "Thank you, bladder." Thank you all so much for carrying me through each and every day. And now sending gratitude down both legs and into both feet. Feeling gratitude for these body parts that allow you to walk, stand, and run. See yourself now as if your entire body were encapsulated by a bubble of gratitude. Feeling love for each and every cell in your body. If they aren't already, bring your hands to prayer position at the heart center and say, "I send love and gratitude to myself for existing every day." Wonderful. You can start to open your eyes now and return to the room. Thank you for joining me for this practice. Have a great day.